So how do we actually set up our Gamesir Tarantula Pro controller here, as you can see, on our PC? Well, to be able to set up this one on your PC, what you need to do firstly is that you need to go into Google and Google Gamesir Connect. This is the app that you need to get on your PC. So you can either click right here or right here to be able to download it here, as you can see. Once you have gotten it on your PC, you will then need to use either the dongle that you got when you purchased the controller or the USB cable. I'm going to use the cable because, to be honest, it's just very easy to connect it via the cable very fast. So I'm just going to take the USB-C end here and I'm going to plug it in here. And the other end, I'm just going to plug it into my computer here, as you can see. So once it's plugged into my computer, you can see it turns on by default here. If it doesn't, just click on this button here to turn it on. Now we're just going to go to the Gamesir Connect app that you should have gotten by now. And in here, click on Tarantula Pro if it doesn't connect automatically. So in here, we are now able to start playing around with the settings here. So for example, let's say you want to be able to change maybe the dead zone here. You can see there's buttons here that you can change as well, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. But you can just play around. You can map keyboard buttons here as an example for a specific one. You can even firmware upgrade here if you need to. You can see the battery percentage here as well. You can change brightness, I believe it's the brightness on the controller if I'm not mistaken, and also color here as well, which is cool. Animations, you can have animations here or you can turn them off as well. You can just play around with all of the settings here. You can see there's a bunch of settings. You can even reset to default here if you need to. And obviously the reason why we connected here via the dongle or this cable is because the app doesn't recognize it wirelessly, unfortunately. After you have done setting everything up, you can just connect it wirelessly as well. It's very easy. And basically that is exactly how to set up the Gamesir Tarantula Pro here on your PC.